Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to open a Bitcoin or cryptocurrency account within your PayPal account. To get started, make sure you already have a PayPal account. If you don't have one, set that up first. You can do this on your computer, but in this video, I'll show you how to do it using the PayPal app on your phone. First, open the PayPal app and log in. On the main screen, tap on the Accounts section. Now look for the option labeled Crypto. Tap on that. Inside the Crypto section, you'll see a few options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. To get started, tap on the Buy button. Before you can buy any cryptocurrency, PayPal will ask you to confirm some details. Tap Continue. You'll be shown the terms and conditions for using cryptocurrency with PayPal. These include things like being able to buy, sell, hold, and transfer crypto directly from your PayPal account. Take a moment to read through the terms. Once you're ready, tap Agree and Continue. PayPal will now process your information. When it's done, you'll see a message that says your account information is confirmed. This means you're now ready to buy cryptocurrency. Let's go ahead and make a small purchase. You can buy as little as $1 worth of Bitcoin. In this example, we'll choose a one-time purchase of $5. Tap Next. PayPal will show you the transaction fee for your purchase. If you use your PayPal balance, the fee for a $5 Bitcoin purchase is 99 cents. If you were to buy a larger amount, like $500, and use a debit card, the fee would be higher. For that amount, the fee is $9. For now, we'll keep it simple and continue with the $5 purchase using the PayPal balance. Once you're okay with the fee, tap Buy. You'll see a confirmation message that says your Bitcoin purchase is complete. You can choose to turn on notifications for updates about your cryptocurrency, but that's optional. PayPal will also send you an email confirming your Bitcoin purchase. And that's it. You now have Bitcoin in your PayPal account. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.